What's going on, everybody? I'm back with another video. I am heading to a soccer game out in Cole Harbor, so come for a ride with me, guys. It's a beautiful day today. Right now it's about 18 degrees, so yeah, let's go. I decided to go the longer way to the game because it is a nice day, so I figured I'll, take advantage of the nice weather and be on the bike a little longer, right? Nothing wrong with that. Look at that over there. Such a nice view. Now I'm just heading up towards Bedford, and then we're gonna cut through the Magazine Hill and go up Ackerley Boulevard, I think it's called. We're not gonna go through Dartmouth, we're just gonna take the highway right to Cole Harbor. So it's gonna be some new scenery for you guys in this video, because I had never went that way with the bike. So yeah, it should be fun. I ended up purchasing an armored sweatshirt because the jacket I have is not really meant for summer riding, and the last 2 seasons I've rode in it during summer and it was just too damn warm in it. So I decided to buy like a actual motorcycle armored sweater, and so far it's been great. It's I do have all the armored elbow pads and all that stuff in it too, and I'm really liking it so far, because when it's a nice day like this you can feel the breeze, which is exactly what I needed, and my jacket wasn't giving me that. I'll make a video on it and give you my own opinion on it, and let you guys know where I got it from. And yeah, so right now we're heading to Magazine Hill, and then once we... all right, buddy, you keep on chucking along, I guess. Yeah, what I was saying, oh my god, people are keep interrupting me. So yeah, what I was saying is we're heading to Magazine Hill right now. Then once we get past that, we'll get on Ackerley and head on towards Cole Harbor. So I had to stop because my GoPro decided not to want to turn on anymore. I had to take the battery out of it and put the battery back in so that it can turn on. Ever since I started using the quick capture, it started doing that. And the whole point of quick capture is, to capture something real quick and then stop the recording. And so guys, I had to stop again. Literally after I started going, not even 30 seconds later, it shut off on me again. So I'm not sure what is going on. I changed the resolution and the frame rate, so hopefully that has something to do with it. I think I might just have to purchase a new camera, because this one is obviously giving me a hard time, and I can't afford to stop anymore. I gotta get there. I still have another 20 minutes or so of riding, so if the camera just shuts off on me, I apologize, because yeah, it's not not playing nice. I had it in 2.7K at 60 frames per second, so maybe that was too much for the camera, I'm not really sure. So I changed it to 4K at 30 frames per second. Hopefully the frame rate, because it's lower, won't overheat the camera, or what's going on. I have no idea. But ever since I started using the quick capture, it just doesn't want to work. It starts and then I stop it, shut it off, and then when I want to use it again, I press the record button, it won't turn on. And the only way to fix that issue is if I take the battery out and put it back in. So if anybody knows what's going on, drop a comment down below, let me know how to fix it, because I am lost for words right now. Oh crap, do I go this way? Ah, damn, no it's not. Is it? Oh man, this is all new stuff here, so no it's not. Yeah, there's nobody around. It's amazing. I got the highway all to myself. Alright, the highway is ending now, and it's just up the road here. Now it says 8:40 on here, but that's not correct. It's actually a little bit earlier than that. I always forget to change it, adjust it. It's going to be a nice evening to play. I can't wait, even though the team that we're playing is kind of good. We played a friendly against them before the season started, and it wasn't a great outcome for us, let's just say that. But anything is possible. Maybe we just had a bad game, right? Alright, and we're approaching the field. It's just to the left of us here, right over there. Ah, there's some people there already. Right on. Right, we are here, so we'll end the video here, guys. And like I always say in my videos, be safe, ride safe, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.